How you guys doing? Good evening. Today, it's time for me to say goodbye to my E63. I just sold it, and time for me to move on. You know, I'm making new changes in my life, and I need to upgrade on some things, so some stuff gotta go. I still got that's the E63 here. That is sold. I got the Spec B, as you can see. Let me move my arm right. The Spec B is still for sale. So if you guys want, hit me up. Things gotta go. I gotta move on. All right, so I'm gonna take my last drive with it now and take it over to the dealership where I sold it to. I didn't sell it private party because everybody was playing games with me. So the dealership gave me an offer that I couldn't refuse, so I took it. All right, so see you guys in here right now. Listen to this. Right here, this is what I ended up getting. I got a Passat R. Yep, I know. Bought it over here at Audi.